terrible old nasty tint from a window. Pay no attention to Chris, he's cutting a hole in the hood. If you want to see that video, click over here. So this is the one window that still has tint on it. Is this one, and it's pretty terrible looking, so try a couple different things. First method is using a heat gun. So we'll get the heat gun going here and try to heat it up and pull it off. So right now I'm just concentrating a whole bunch of heat on this corner. We're going to try to work it off so we can get this glue to break loose. You can already see the tint start to bubble up a little bit there and flexing. So it's starting to make itself come loose now. So be able to pull some of this stuff off and get that heated up, and then I'm going to try to take it off with a razor blade here. See that it's coming off pretty good. Don't want to bear down too hard. You don't want to cut the glass. Alright, most of the tint is removed. There's a little bit of randomness at the top. And then we got all this glue on there. You see all that nastiness in there. So try to clean up all that and get the rest of the tint off. Also a nice pile of purple tint on the floor. So now I'm going to use some of the Goof Off Gunk and Adhesive Remover Gel. And the gel's kind of nice. You can see where I sprayed some. It doesn't just start automatically rolling down the windshield as fast. So that stays on there. And then we can let that do a little bit of magic. And then you see right there it already wiped off the glue that was there. So here's the window. Got all the goo off of there and it came off super quick. A little bit of tint pieces still left on here. I got to get that off. And then that strip has to come off too, but pretty simple. Just takes a little bit of time.